Bali, a land of rich heritage, timeless culture, and breathtaking landscapes. A place where spirituality meets serenity and tradition blends with luxury. Now, imagine experiencing the essence of Bali right here in North Bengaluru. Welcome to Advaya Bali, a sanctuary where Indo-Balinese architecture, nature, and wellness come together to create an unparalleled retreat. Advaya Bali is not just a property, it is an experience. Inspired by the cultural and architectural brilliance of Bali, every element here reflects authenticity. From intricately sculpted Balinese entryways to lush tropical gardens, every detail has been carefully curated to transport you to the heart of Bali. To preserve this authenticity, Kshetra has imported sculptures, furniture, and materials directly from Bali, ensuring an immersive Indo-Balinese experience. Inspired by Indo-Balinese community culture, Club Maya fosters art, culture, and holistic prosperity with a unique architectural celebration hall, a mineral-enriched nature pool, and cozy cottages for relaxation. Indulge in Ayurveda spa treatments surrounded by lush medicinal and herbal gardens, offering a perfect retreat for rejuvenation. Find serenity in our thoughtfully designed cottages nestled in tropical greenery, providing a peaceful escape. A cafe surrounded by water, rocks, and gardens, offering organic, protein-rich delicacies sourced from local farmers. Secluded hideaways beside scenic lotus ponds, where luxury meets tranquility. Enjoy peaceful walks amidst managed farmlands, connecting with nature at every step. A Bali-styled village featuring relaxing huts, organic gardens, an open country kitchen, village ponds, and a petting zoo. Designed for physical and spiritual well-being, our Yogashala blends Balinese Hinduism yoga culture with serene surroundings. An elevated meditation pedestal amidst waterfalls and sacred Balinese sculptures, offering a divine space for inner healing. Handcrafted by skilled artisans, these sculptures and traditional entryways are a testament to Balinese artistry and spiritual harmony. Nestled in the heart of North Bengaluru, Advaya Bali spans 33 acres in Dibbar village, just 5.5 kilometers from NH44. With Bengaluru International Airport only 42 kilometers away, seamless connectivity meets peaceful seclusion. Located 32 kilometers from Devanahalli, where luxury projects are shaping the future, Advaya Bali ensures high appreciation potential. A spiritual oasis near the Isha Foundation, a hub for wellness and adventure with Nandi Hills, Prestige Golf Club, and historic trekking destinations nearby. With rapid urban expansion and high-end developments, Advaya Bali is positioned for exceptional growth, making it an ideal investment. Offering managed farmland plots in a secure, gated community, infrastructure includes wide internal pathways, solar lighting, drip irrigation, and 24/7 security. Unlike conventional projects, Advaya Bali offers an unparalleled lifestyle inspired by Balinese culture, blending luxury with tranquility. Discover your Bali escape at Advaya Bali. A place where luxury meets serenity, where investment meets growth, and where nature meets community. Schedule a visit today and experience the magic of Bali in Bengaluru. Advaya Bali, your gateway to a timeless retreat.